All right, the office is still a mess, but it's a lot better than last time, and I'm making progress. So right now I'm going to flip it around and show you behind the scenes and get to showcase a little bit of some of the new fixtures that I have in my space. Come with me. There. Now you can see the flip side of my usual setup. This is where I normally have lights, C-stands, and cables running everywhere. But now, since I got the Strobepro Autopole background kit, I can do things like this. I know, pretty sexy. I have my mid-gray paper up right now, but I'm hoping to buy some additional colors and use them for some mini photo shoots and maybe some videos in the future. I did buy the Strobepro aluminum support bars. That's so that I can leave my paper rolls up and not have to worry about the sag that usually happens or occurs when you keep your paper backdrops stored horizontally. Now, this isn't the only solution to put up backgrounds. You can use two light stands and a background bar like I've done many times in the past, or you can use the mounting and drill it right into the wall. But for me, I wanted the flexibility to change the size or its location if I rearrange my space or work area. Plus, in smaller work areas like my own, I can avoid the larger footprints stands and C-stands leave on the floor. So this is the amount of space that the Autopole takes up on the ground, and this is the space a C-stand and a light stand take up. A huge difference, especially if you have to have two of them. So yeah, nothing super special, but it's a space saver, and it helps me change my backgrounds simply and easily, without having to put up more gear. And if it helps me do my work simpler, faster, better, then I'm all for it. If you want to check it out yourself, I'll include a link down below. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. No, the bad pun. I know. I had to do it.